Ever wondered how some people turn their YouTube channels into gold mines? You could be next, and it's easier than you think. Your channel can be about almost anything from cartoons to singing, or even sharing your lifestyle. The key is to choose a memorable username. Finding your unique style and topics is crucial. Keep your videos short and engaging to ensure your audience stays hooked. Ready to start earning? Enable monetization by going to My Channel, clicking Video Manager, and choosing Enable Monetization. Remember, you need at least 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers to start making money. Don't forget to set up Google AdSense. Analytics are your best friend. Regularly check those numbers and graphs to understand your audience and improve your content. Once you reach 15,000 cumulative watch hours in the last 90 days, you can become a YouTube partner and unlock more earning potential. Thinking about extra income? Start selling your own merchandise or become an affiliate marketer to earn commissions on other products. The journey to YouTube success is all about creativity, consistency, and understanding your audience. Keep experimenting and learning. Turn your passion into profit and let your creativity shine. Your YouTube success story starts now.